Hi, I'm Trent Brown, Professional Learning Manager at ACHPER Victoria. I'm here today to talk to you about our in-school workshops. You know that ACHPER Victoria runs a number of different conferences that you may well have attended over the past couple of years. But did you know that we also run in-school workshops where ACHPER Victoria professional learning staff can come to you? We run our in-school workshops in a number of different areas, and they will meet some of the important indicators that are required from your school. For example, your school's annual implementation plan. We can tailor workshops based on the school needs and what you require as a health and physical education team. It's important that those conversations are had before we come to your school to enable us to develop the most appropriate workshops for you. For example, we can tailor our programs to suit you in the areas of VCE Physical Education, VCE Health and Human Development, and VCE Outdoor and Environmental Studies. We can also look at developing professional learning from Foundation to Year 10 for your school. For example, we have a strong evidence base in fundamental movement skill delivery, but we can also tailor areas with regard to game sense, sport education, and other pedagogical models such as teaching personal and social responsibility. We also offer curriculum planning and assessment modules, and this gives your school an overall roadmap to developing the content in your HPE curriculum areas. One of the other modules or areas that we can actually work with include developing your health education curriculum, and this can be focused on Foundation to 6 or also Year 7 to 10 levels. If you're interested in finding out more about our in-school workshops, please do not hesitate to contact us by going to our website, or you can contact me directly via the email address posted below.